I'll briefly show how to use a digital experiment that measures the volumetric flow rate of liquid leaving a tank. That's a function of the height of the liquid and the drain diameter. So the experiment is located on the LearnChemE site. And here's a link to that location. The experiment shown here where we can select the drain diameter among a couple of values and can select the liquid height either at 80 or 40 centimeters. And then we open the valve, and the idea of the experiment is we record the time for different volumes so we can look at the change in the volume and therefore know the volumetric flow rate as a function of height of liquid. And then we can apply Bernoulli's equation and continuity equation to calculate what we expect to see. Let's look at the simulation on the website. Here's a simulation. We can select either 0.5 or 1 for the diameter of the drain, and we can select either 80 or 40 centimeters. And so if we click on the valve, it opens, flow starts coming out, and the liquid level drops. We can zoom in with the scroll wheel to more accurately measure if we're going to record a certain height in centimeters as a function of time, then the zoom can be particularly useful for getting accurate measurements. And the experiment then consists of just making these measurements as a function of time and calculating volumetric flow rates and applying Bernoulli's equation to the system. We, of course, can start over and reset by clicking Reset. Here there are brief directions. And then there's a more detailed worksheet that goes through what measurements to make at what conditions and what calculations to carry out.